रमणांजलि रमणांजलि लोक कल्याण रमण शरणांजलि रमणांजलि रमणांजलि रमणांजलि।
Namo Ramana. Bhagavan, prostrations to you who shine as the self in all beings. I was remembering the first program of Ramananjali on your birth centenary day, Bhagavan. That was the 3rd of January 1980. I cannot cease to be amazed by your grace that is manifest as Ramananjali. How did it grow into such a vast ocean of poetry on Atmanubhava, on the experience of the self, of compositions by you and on you?
रमणाय नमः ओम रमणाय 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 नमः ओम।
What a wonder that there are more than 2,000 songs in the Ramananjali repertoire today, and the numbers are ever expanding. The vastness is not only in the original poetic content of Ramananjali, there are the translations into several languages. More significantly, Ramananjali has come to be an ocean of music as well, including all aspects of Carnatic classical music and devotional music.
ददगनं 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 दनं दनं द आनं ददगनं नं ददगनं दनं दनं द दगनं ददगनं दनं ददगनं 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 दनं दनं ददगं दनं ददगनं दगनं ददगनं दनं ददगनं 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 अगगनं दनं दनं नं दनं
ni da ni da pa ma ga ma da pa ma ga ma Arunachalam pa pa da pa pa ma pa da ma ga ma pa da pa ma ni da pa da ma da ma ni da ni pa ma ni da pa da ma da pa ma ni da pa ma ga ma da pa ma ga ri sa pa ma ga ri sa da pa ma ga sa ni ga ri ga ma pa da ni da pa da pa ma ga ma da pa ni da pa ma ga sa ni ga ma pa da ni sa ri ga ri sa ni sa ri sa ni ga ri sa ni da pa da ni ga ri sa ni da ga ri sa ni da ri sa ni da pa ri sa ni da pa sa ni da pa ma ga ma Arunachala Shiva Arunachala Shiva Arunachala
रमण महर्षि जय गुरुवरुण जय 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 जय गुरुवरुण जय.
On that day of the first program, could any one of us have envisaged this magnificent musical upsurge? Bhagavan, we remember that day as the inception, the birth of Ramananjali. But you had begun the story of Ramananjali long before that program, had you not? Bhagavan, when I see this picture of yours, which has stirred so many lives and drawn them into yourself, special memories of the story of Ramananjali come back to me. In many ways, this picture of yours has played a significant part in the beginnings of Ramananjali. Because it was while gazing at this very picture of yours that Amma set to music all your 5 hymns on Arunachala. We were at Delhi then and had the blessing of being an integral part of Ramana Kendra and its activities. There would be satsangs every Sunday at the homes of different devotees, and some Sundays at our home too. When the Kendra was registered as a society, Appa had the privilege of being the secretary. During those years, the construction of the meditation hall was blessed by you, Bhagavan. I vividly remember the intense, enthusiastic activity that preceded the benefit performances of Srimati M.S. Subbalakshmi and Yamini Krishnamurti, which were the fundraising events. M.S. Amma sang a song on you in her concert, Bhagavan.
Om
तत्सदाख्यं पुरुषं गुहेशं ॐ तत्सदाख्यं पुरुषं गुहेशं नतार्तिनाशाय शरीरवन्तं मोदस्वरूपं मधुर स्वभावं मोदस्वरूपं मधुर स्वभावं त्वामात्मनाथो रमणं भजामि.
And the highlight of Yamini's performance was for us her Abhinaya for Muruganar's song. Amma sang that number along with Yamini's orchestra. நலியாது என் உயிரை நன்கு காத்து.
நலியாதே என் உயிரை நன்று காத்து ஞான திவாகர ரமணநாதர். நலியாதே என் உயிரை நன்று காத்து ஞான திவாகர ரமணநாதர்.
The meditation hall, Ramanalayam as we would call it then, was declared open on the 1st of September 1974 by B.D. Jatti, an event of overflowing joy for all of us. Bhagavan, the first puja to you there by Subaya Mama and Mahalinga Mama is unforgettable.
வாழ்க ஸ்வயம் பிரகாச வாழ்க வாழ்கவே சூழ்க சுத்தாத்ம சக்தி சூழ்க சூழ்கவே வாழ்க ஸ்வயம் பிரகாச வாழ்க வாழ்கவே சூழ்க சுத்தாத்ம சக்தி சூழ்க சூழ்கவே ஏழுயாகும் ஜீவனுக்கு இன்பம் பொங்கவே ஏழுயாகும் ஜீவனுக்கு இன்பம் பொங்கவே இதயமாகும் இறைவனாய் எல்லாம் ஓங்கவே இதயமாகும் இறைவனாய் எல்லாம் ஓங்கவே வாழ்வர வந்து வாழ்க வாழ்வதொழியவே வாழ்வர வந்து வாழ்க வாழ்வதொழியவே பரம சச்சிதானந்தாத்ம பார்வொழிகவே பரம சச்சிதானந்தாத்ம பார்வொழிகவே எல்லா பிரம்மம் என்னும் உண்மை இறைவழிகவே.
After that, we practically lived in the Kendra guest rooms every weekend and throughout our summer vacation as well. I often feel that the Delhi Kendra is truly a mother to the Ramana Maharshi Center for Learning here at Bangalore, having nurtured our love for you in manifold ways, Bhagavan. In 1975, Lata Mangeshkar gave a benefit performance in Bombay for constructing the library hall upstairs in the Kendra. The library section was declared open in 1977 by the Sringeri Jagadguru Abhinava Vidyatirtha Mahaswami. Very significantly, through the 12 years that we lived at Delhi from 1965 to 1977, the regard that my parents had for Professor Swaminathan and the love that he showered on our entire family became the bedrock of our bonding with you, Bhagavan, especially through music and the songs of Muruganar. Appa fell in love with Professor's English translation of some verses from Muruganar.
Dear devotees, avid for grace, our Master is an ocean. Take and hold your fill. Approach him freely, minds and hands wide open. Drink to your heart's content. Defeated and frustrated, do not reel beneath fate's blows. Turn your eyes, your thoughts, towards those sovereign feet which can transmute a devotee into Shiva radiant. Like a tree which on a scorching day offers cool shade to every comer, by nature, not by choice. Even so, he stands, calm, immutable, impartial, liking or disliking none, but saving all who reach his feet. Ever fresh he keeps my spirit, Ramana, the daylight bringer, spreading wide his bright awareness. Rattled out of his little Damuru, the Vedas' accents scattered far the Maya of the putrid ego. This Lord Supreme, his greatness masking, wandered up and down the land, a naked beggar, bowl in hand, till tired at last he settled down to take his rest on this hill of gold.
He then exhorted Amma to set to music the original Tamil poems, saying, Sulochana, if only I knew as much Carnatic music as you do, I would have set these songs to music long back. Though initially with temerity, she began to set these songs to music in the Carnatic classical style. Being the master of proper placement, as Muruganar sings of you in his Vaitapathu, you had given her, through her family, not only an overwhelming passion for Carnatic music, but a thorough grounding in it right from her infancy by receiving training from her beloved grandmother to start with and from several stalwarts in Carnatic music of that generation. The first musical score through which you manifested in Srimati Sulochana Natarajan, the future founder and leader of Ramananjali, was the music for Muruganar's poem Tirumantiram. Namo Ramanayave. Thus, the power of your name became the basis and life breath of Ramananjali from that very moment.
Namo Ramanayave, Nanamum Kalviyum. Namo Ramanayave, Nanamum Kalviyum. Namo Ramanayave, Namari Mandiram. Namo Ramanayave, Namari Mandiram. Namo Ramanayave, Navukarindalam. Namo Ramanayave, Nalvari Kodune.
Bhagavan, Ambika and I have had the rare blessing of singing this in Muruganar's presence along with Amma. We have seen him listen to the singing with tears streaming down his cheeks, with his hair standing on end, his face turning red with emotion, and his entire body, his very bones melting in love for you. This was our second visit to him. On the first visit, he asked whether we did not know any Tamil songs, and Amma, at Appa's behest, chose two of the simplest from Ramana Sannidhi Murai and taught it to us that very day at the Morvi guest house at Sri Ramanashramam. We sang Achala Potri and Samayami Duni to Muruganar the very next day.
அச்சலா போற்றி அந்தன போற்றி குஷலமையான குருஷில் போற்றி பெருந்திய செய்யும் பிறவி பிணிக்கோர் மருந்தே போற்றி மணியே போற்றி
தெளிந்த சின்மய போற்றி உள்ளம் கவர்ந்த கல்வா போற்றி அருமையில் எளிய அழகே போற்றி எளிமையில் அழிய எழிலே போற்றி மண்ணின் பிரிவ மங்களம் மரக்கவும்
On returning to Delhi, we joined Amma in the Sunday satsangs at Kendra in singing Muruganar songs. A book of these songs was published by the Delhi Kendra with songs tuned and notated by Amma and translated into English by Professor. This was fondly known to us as the Red Book. It was at this juncture that you captured Amma with your glance from this picture, and she set to music the Arunachala Navamani Malai, Arunachala Padigam, Ashtakam, Pancharatnam and the Ekanma Panchakam.
சங்கன மதுவாகும் வாடக வாரொளியாம் முக்தி நினைக்க அருணாச்சலம் முக்தி நினைக்க அருணாச்சலம் உன்னிடவே
பொங்கிடும் பூவி சொற்புங்கவன் வருகிரியன அமர்த்தரும் அம்மா அதிசயம் இதன் செயல் அறிவரிதார்க்கும் அறிவரு சிறு வயதது முதல் அருணாச்சலமிகம் பெரிதன் அறிவினில் அங்க அறிவிலன் அதன் போர் அது திரு
and the Green Book with your compositions was published, again with translations by Professor Swaminathan, Professor Mama for us. This is still a ready reckoner for all of us at RMCL, and the Padigam and Pancharatnam have been sung in their English translations as well by Ramananjali.
Out of all creatures in the world, what did you gain by choosing me?
Oh Aruna Hill,
Oh Aruna Hill.
out of all creatures in the world, what did you gain by choosing me?
Oh Aruna Hill.
Oh Aruna Hill,
You saved me from falling into the void, and you have held me firm, fixed at your feet.
you saved me from falling into the void, and you have held me firm, fixed at your feet. Ocean of nectar, full of grace, oh self supreme, oh mount of light, who spreading rays and love all things, shine as the sun which makes the heart lotus blossom fair.
But I wonder, Bhagavan, as I said, Ramana music was not completely new at the Delhi Kendra. Even before the opening of the meditation hall, on special occasions there would be public gatherings. Then, and also in the weekly satsangs in devotees' homes, there would be Vedic chanting as well as song offerings by Maggie Mami, Durga Mami, Neela Mami, Shamla Mami, and Amma. Amma became famous for singing Manavasi Ramaswamy Ayer's Sharanagati, which she had learnt directly from him. Shamla Mami would sing Sadhuvam songs. Bhagavan, where then do I see a connection to the birth of Ramananjali in this sequence of events? The seemingly uneventful happening, the publication of the music books, was actually a very significant milestone in this direction, because it established Ramana music as a well codified and documented body of music. It was no longer just a group of devotees singing songs on you and by you, Bhagavan. It was the seed, the embryo for the form of Ramananjali, the baby about whose coming no one yet had a clue. Today, there are more than 13 books of Ramananjali music notated by Amma that have been published, and she has all the 2000 songs made available in the notated format. At that time in Delhi, you revealed your grace in this direction with the publication of the third music book, the Blue Book as we called it. This too contained songs of Muruganar with translations by Professor Swaminathan. What was special about it, however, was that one part of the book contained songs set to music by Dandapani Odwar. Dandapani Odwar came to Ramana Kendra regularly and sang Muruganar's songs in the original Pan style. This captured the hearts of Appa and Amma equally, and Amma joyously learnt many songs from Oduvar. And there, Bhagavan, you played your trump card. Dandapani Oduvar asked for Guru Dakshina, a very significant Guru Dakshina. He told Amma, Sulochana Amma, I have a very special request. You must take these songs to many. I see you as being imbued with the capability to do so. Go forth, teach this music to many, spread this music to the world. How was this to happen? Where was this to happen? Can we fathom the depth of the sea? Could we foresee the storyline of Ramananjali, the storyline of your grace?